If you are visiting my channel for the first time, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Comment, like, subscribe. Hey guys, today here in my pot, I have sweet potato right here. Just one sweet potato. It was big, guys, and I cut it up in small pieces. And then ripe plantain. So here they are boiling in this water with just salt and water. Sweet potato with ripe plantains. So here guys, the sweet plantains are always going to cook before the potatoes. So now you see the plantains are ready. The sweet potatoes are not quite ready, so you're gonna have to remove the sweet potato, the plantains, and place it in this plate. The last one might break, but it's good. So here it is. So you have the sweet plantains, and then I'm going to continue to finish boiling the sweet potatoes. Let's cover it up. Take about 5 more minutes. Okay guys, the 5 minutes is up, and I'm gonna see what it looks like. Let's uncover the pot. As you could see, the sweet potatoes are cooked. See, the pieces are cooked, so you're just gonna remove them, and I'll place them in this plate. Okay, let's go here. Okay, I'm just gonna finish removing them with this spoon. Place it in the plate, because I don't want to break the potatoes. That's it guys. Here you have plantains with sweet potatoes, and you see the pot has the water. You could just empty out the water and you're good to go. Hey guys, this evening I have here for dinner stewed turkey, sweet potato, ripe plantain, lettuce, tomato. This is my dinner. If you want to know the recipe guys, just ask me and I'll tell you what it's all about. You could get the recipe from me, and you can also visit my channel, Princess Jen, on YouTube. Princess Jen on YouTube, and follow me on Facebook at Princess Jen. Thank you guys. After serving my dinner, this is my dinner, I have leftovers that could give me about 2 servings. Guys, this is so amazing. It did not cost me too much to prepare this meal, and also they say there is something about leftovers. It always tastes good. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.